Good morning, uh, Philippines, wherever you are. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to my channel. To this video, we're going to unboxing. Just kidding. We're going to unbox one of the most important thing, especially if there will be a blackout, that we cannot really control, right? Especially if sometimes we forget to pay the bill, then the electrician or your source of your power will be off. Unexpected blackout or power interruption. Here's the answer. This is what we call the UPS. All right. So UPS, I mean to say, ano ba ibig sabihin ng UPS? Kalimutan ko eh. Hold on, let me see. Uh, I think UPS stands for, i-google natin. UPS. It's backup power. That's backup. Uh, Wait a minute. Oh, ang bawa ko talaga. So, UPS stands for uninterruptible power supply. So it offers guaranteed power protection for connected electronics when power is interrupted or fluctuates outside safe level. A UPS will instantly provide a clean battery, backup power, and surge protection for plug-in sensitive equipment. So ito na. Bubuksan na natin to para malaman natin, no? At saka guys, if you're first time on my channel, please like and subscribe. Ang tigas nito. Ouch. Talagang secured, no? Ang device. Ah, opening na. Oh, may bubble wrap talaga. So, thank you Shopee for ito na po. And UPS power supply. So let's open it up. No. Okay. I'm using only the camera and my laptop. Yep. Buksan na natin. Opening it. Ano meron dito sa loob? Oh. Try. Eto na nga. This is it. At itry natin to ngayon on the next slide. Okay? Ano ba ito try? So, I'll make a continuous video on this. Ito lang pagbukas. And Jeffrey will be right back. Alright? Okay. So, ito yung black cord. Ito yung power source. Power supply. And let's see if this is gonna work. Sana po, kumana to. Dito. Yeah, it's on. Kumana po yung device natin. Ito na po yung power supply. It's charging it up for na po siya. And then that's it. Dali lang pala. So medyo crowded yung ano dito, yung cord. Ito na, nagcha-charging na po. So gagawin ko lang dito is maglalagay na lang ako dito ng saan ko ito isasabit kasi pero okay lang kahit na ganyan na yan. Yan, so it's on. Yeah, the device is working. Alright. At yun guys, you can see I show you the demonstration. It works, and I've been using it for a while now. So it's really good kasi tumagal siya. The power lasts at least 4 to 6 hours max. Pero okay na yun kasi with the blackout comes in, and hindi naman talaga siya na it will last longer. So ayun guys, I hope you like this video, and please help me grow this channel so that I can come up with another more reviews just like this. I have my new headset, the Jabra. If you like this headset, the quality of the microphone, just comment down below. Gagawa natin ng another video kung saan kayo makakuha ng mga cheaper na, na headset, which is noise cancelling, na ginagamit talaga for work from home, saan man kayo mag-work, good for voice. I would really highly recommend Jabra because that's one of the most powerful headset that will really perform in terms of clarity of your voice, and not only the clarity of the voice, but ang dami pang features na magugustuhan nyo talaga using the Jabra headset. So ngayon, to this video, I'm highlighting the UPS para pag may blackout, you won't have to worry about stopping your work. Kung konti lang muna, kung wala kayong generator, I would really recommend you guys use a laptop so that your work can last at least 3 hours. Power by your laptop and then combine it with the UPS. Successful yung work natin. No interruption of work and happy client. So if there's a happy client, then financially we're stable. Alright, so again, for more videos, please comment down below kung saan nyo gustong what will be my next topic. Just let me know, and I will surely create a video for that para sa dagdag kaalaman kung saan tayo makatipid, where we can save more money, right? Kasi may mga ibang quality naman talaga na products na branded nga, pero meron namang product na haling tulad nung isang branded that you can purchase and you can save. Alright, so once again, this is Jeffrey Guerrero from Davao City, Philippines, wherever you guys lives, United States, Middle East, at saka peace lang po tayo, no more wars, at saka na yung United States at ibang country pa sana magkakasundo lahat, kasi pag lahat ay peace, walang problema. Peace on earth. Yeah, more power and more love, i-spread natin yan. Once again, this is Jeffrey from my channel. I hope you guys help me grow this. Like and share and subscribe. Don't forget. See you on my next vlog.
Hot shot, running in my non-stop vertigo. Curl plot, whiskey in the teapot.